facing that way.
She's cracking up. Mmm. Nicholas, can you say hi to Madeline?
Did you get that on?
Of course I did. Nicholas.
He missed it. He missed that right up in his interface. Almost gave her a kiss. Smiling at her.
Hi, Maddie.
Can you zoom on that, or?
Yeah.
You like you, huh? She's been going up to his pictures over here, but we moved them up now. She'll just grab them off and just do them.
She keeps looking at you, Chris, like, I don't know if I like this guy.
Hey, Madeline, show your tough girl face. Go. Show Uncle Chris your tough girl face so he can't get you.